Happy Saturday, everybody. Trina here, and yes, you're not seeing a repeat, but you're kind of seeing a repeat. So, two of my winners from my subscribers did not respond. I've given them over a week. I've tried to post on both Junk Journal Junkies chat and YouTube and on another group that I belong to, and I have not gotten a response back. My Happy Mail packet winner did respond. Heather Cook winner from 8-cent stamp. She texted me today. She got her little goodie packet and is going to be having fun crafting with that. So I am redrawing names today, and I am sticking with just my active subscribers. So the ones that actually commented are the only ones that are going to be on this drawing. And I am going to redraw names. So I know that makes some of you girls really happy, so let's get on with this. So my first drawing is going to be for the birds. Haha, that's funny. It's going to be for the birds, girls. Oh, it's going to be for a happy crafter. So again, I'm looking through my phone, so I can't see whose names are on what. And again, the first name I pick is going to be for the bird journal. So, okay. Let's see who my happy winner is going to be. Prympammi. Prympammi, I'm assuming. Prympammi. You are the winner of the bird journal. And now comes the butterfly journal. Here we go. These two little cuties really need to go to their new home. So, let's see who we have. Nancy Vance. Nancy Vance, you are a winner of the butterfly. And I will repost this on my YouTube, my Junk Journal chat, and my Junk Journal Bits and Bobs, which is the other group that I belong to. And just text me or PM me your mailing addresses, and these happy little girls will be going out in the mail on Monday. So again, we have Prympammi or Prympammi and Nancy Vance. You are my new winners. Thanks again for participating, and thanks for supporting my YouTube channel. We have lots of fun sharing our creations, and I get a lot of inspiration from a lot of you as well. So happy Saturday, happy crafting, and I will be posting this here shortly with my two new winners, and hopefully this time these will be going out in the mail for sure on Monday. Thanks again for participating, and I really appreciate all of your support. Hope you're all having a good Saturday and not getting too hot. Right now I've got all my fans going, if you can't tell. So I will be talking to y'all soon. Thank you.